Kung nandito ka sa page na ito, hindi ka nagbabrowse, you're evaluating. May nakita ka na, kaya ang tanong mo ngayon, ano ang next step? Let's establish this clearly. Hindi kami nagbebenta ng automation. We install a structured conversion system at hindi lahat qualified. Pause. Kung naghahanap ka ng guarantees, shortcuts, or bahala na si AI, this will not be aligned. Karamihan ng negosyo hindi bumabagsak dahil kulang ang leads. They collapse because of inconsistent execution. May message na pumasok, may sumagot. Then peak hours happen, na-overload ang staff, follow-up stop, tahimik na nauubos ang leads. Hindi ito people problem, structural problem ito. Kapag memory ang system mo, failure becomes predictable. Kung ang internal dialogue mo ganito pa rin, na-follow up ba? Nasagot ba yung DM? Ano na nangyari sa inquiry? That's not marketing, operational weakness, yan. Pinoy Automation Builder builds direct message conversion workflows. Hindi sobra, hindi kulang. We do not patakbuhin ang kumpanya mo. Sumagot manually para sa team mo. Mag-guarantee ng revenue, override ang decisions mo. We do install a defined workflow asset sa Facebook or Instagram DM mo. Structure the conversation stages. Automate follow-through. Tanggal dependency sa memory. Chat is the gateway. Workflow ang asset, capture, qualify, schedule, follow-up. That is infrastructure. Karamihan ng automation reactive, sumasagot, pero hindi nagra-route. Nagre-reply, pero hindi nagde-decide. Nagsasalita, pero walang follow-through. Adding more VAs won't solve this. Adding more tools won't solve this. Structured workflow logic lang ang solution. Kung approach mo pa rin ay sagutin mo muna, then you don't have a system. At the end of the day, you only have activity, not a system. Kapag qualified ka, ganito ang mangyayari. We install a direct message workflow asset sa page mo. With defined scenarios, clear handoff logic, explicit boundaries, alam ng system when to ask, when to stop, when to route, when to follow up. Hindi ito mag-ooperate outside rules. Hindi ito mag-handle undefined cases. Hindi nito papalitan ng delivery mo. Kung mas gusto mo flexibility kaysa structure, may friction yan. May limits ang system by design. Hindi nito kayang gawin lahat. Walang guarantee. Hindi papalit sa tao. Hindi nag-i-improvise. Kung uncomfortable ka sa clear scope, defined objectives, fixed rules, assigned responsibility, then misalign tayo at mahal ang misalignment. I decline namin ang engagement kung gusto mo guaranteed sales. Gusto mo may hidden human responder. Gusto mo laging nagbabago ang scope. Nakikipag-negotiate ka sa price bago maintindihan ang structure. Wala ka pang validated offer. Bad revenue is worse than no revenue. We filter early. Bago pag-usapan ng pricing, we assess alignment. Kasi pricing without fit creates unrealistic expectations, support burden, scope conflict, operational strain. We verify, may real inquiries ka na, clear ang offer mo, defined ang pricing mo. May fulfillment capacity, tinanggap mo ang system boundaries, ready ka sa setup at maintenance. After review, one outcome lang, install only, starter, pro, enterprise, or not a fit. Walang upsell games, only fit. Kung seryoso ka sa structured operations, click check if your business is qualified. Sagutin mo ng maayos. If aligned, we proceed. If not, we both conserve time. Hindi ito para sa lahat. Para ito sa negosyo na ready sa structure.